What's up, YouTube? It's your boy That Ain't Sav back again with another banger. And today, I'm gonna do a mukbang with y'all in a story time. So y'all see, we got the Wingstop. Got the Wingstop right here, man. However y'all want. So I got the Wingstop and I'm finna tell y'all the story time. Y'all know y'all got the fried, y'all gotta dip it in there. Finna eat my wings. I'm gonna get y'all some drink, some chips or something. We finna talk to y'all. I'm eating these wings. So I'm gonna talk to y'all about people like asking me a lot about how jail was, cause if you don't know, I went to jail, man. Can't tell y'all what for. But jail basically was, it ain't nothing to be scared of. But it's not nothing you want to do, like a place you want to go. But it's not a place you want to go. First, when I went in, like, you go to the police station, you do all that. I was in the police station for 2 days. Went to the big jail, the county. Then I was basically nothing. It wasn't nothing scary about it, like how people be saying. Like it really wasn't nothing scary. Like I wanted to talk to a judge. Boom, he gave me a bond. Then I went. Then like we went in there, we changed our clothes. We had to see this little nurse check our body out and stuff. Then after that, we waited all day. Tell me why. They told me I got bonded out, right? They took me all the way back to the other side, put my clothes on, took me all the way back downstairs, right? But people were leaving out. So tell me, it was like two, three of us, right? Where they messed up paperwork and our bond wasn't really paid. So we had to go back all the way upstairs, put our clothes on, go back and get processed into another deck. Like, man, that blew me so bad because I thought I was going home. Like, y'all playing these games with me. Go to Wingstop, say that they side from y'all. Uber Eat discount code at that they side. But yeah, I was in there. I was just eating good, making noodles. I didn't know how to cook that food until like a couple of months later and stuff. Until like people started teaching me. I learned how to cook real good enough. I met some people in there. Chill, I was on the phone with my mama. A couple of females I talked to, you know. When you in there, you gotta have a couple of females you talk to, or you'll get lonely. For real. Cause where's it going? You in there watching TV, playing cards, eating noodles all day, going to sleep, waking up, having dreams. Don't go to jail, kids. I'm gonna tell y'all that. Don't do it. Go to school. Live your life, make money. But I would never go back to jail. There ain't no place for me. There's not no place I can see myself all the time. But basically, I'm just not chilling here, on phone, going to court, coming back later. It's just a waiting game. I got in 2 fights. Let me tell y'all the first fight. The first fight, I ain't gonna lie, I started that fight. I had to get my name straight enough. It was Mexican. He kept messing with people on the deck, like up on our pod thing. He kept messing with the little people. I'm little too, I was only 18. I said something to him, he got up trying to come smack me. He didn't smack me, it's like his nail went across my face, like skipped my face. Yeah, only thing, you know, I went, come to the bathroom, come to the bathroom. When in that bathroom, I beat him. Straight beat him, came out with a purple eye. Man, try to hit, man. I get him like that. I whooped him. This chicken good as hell. I ain't gonna even edit this video. Give it to y'all raw. The second fight with this black dude. I was on the deck with my cousin. Me and my cousin beat him up because he tried to fight my cousin. I wanted to go help him and I whooped him. Gave him a knot on his forehead. Gave him a knot on his forehead. I was in there. I made a basketball rim. I made a basketball. I wrote a song. I made a football. I had us playing football. I even got the power turned off in there on accident. Like I was messing with the little exit sign. Like I took the cords apart and I made them touch, and I turned all the power off in the county. Everybody was so mad. They weren't gonna do nothing. They weren't gonna do nothing to me. That was really it. I did that my whole time in there. Yeah, my mama finally got the money to buy me out. I bought it out. Now I'm at home talking to y'all. My cousin still in there. He finna come home too though. He on the way. He finna get out in a couple of weeks. That's really my only story. I gotta tell y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm not editing this video. I'm gonna put my thumbnail, my intro and outro on there. But y'all know the deal. Follow all social medias, Daddy's side, whatever. Y'all know it. Y'all know it, bro. You get your hot sauce from when you almost done. Get the hot sauce, right? Do that. Dip it in there. There you go. I'm hungry. I just got home from work. My last wing tried to get all the hot sauce so he can drown this boy. I just said drown it and I shook it off. My dumb ass. I'm tearing this chicken up. Wingstop might sponsor me. Rollie on me right now. Giving bitches first smile. Told my mama I always go buy a Rollie as a child. But yeah, back to what I was saying about jail. Don't go to jail. Jail is not for people. Jail is a bad place to go. Don't do it. But I'm done with my wings. Y'all know nobody never eat all the fries. I don't know, nobody never eat all the fries. So thank y'all for watching. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos coming soon. Y'all want me to do another mukbang or story time? Just comment on this video. If you got this far, I love y'all. Got a game for life. We gone.